Once upon a time, in a little village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious young girl named Luna. Luna wasn't like the other children, she had a special gift. Every night, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Luna would gaze up at the sky, and the stars would twinkle just a bit brighter in response. One clear night, as Luna lay on a soft blanket in her backyard, she noticed a shooting star streaking across the sky. Excitement bubbled within her, and she whispered a wish with all her heart. To her surprise, the shooting star paused and twinkled, as if acknowledging her wish. Determined to follow the star, Luna embarked on a magical adventure. With a small lantern in hand, she journeyed through fields and forests, guided by the sparkling trail left by the shooting star. Along the way, Luna encountered friendly woodland creatures who joined her quest. As Luna ventured deeper into the night, the starlight around her grew brighter, illuminating a hidden path to a magical meadow. There, she discovered a magnificent tree adorned with radiant, glowing orbs, the Starlight Tree. To her amazement, Luna realized that each glowing orb held a dream. The shooting star, now a gentle spirit, explained that the Starlight Tree collected the dreams of children and brought them to life. Luna's wish had led her to the heart of this enchanting realm. Overjoyed, Luna danced and played with the dreams, creating a symphony of laughter that echoed through the meadow. The friendly creatures joined in the celebration, and the Starlight Tree shimmered with delight. As the night waned, Luna knew it was time to return home. The shooting star escorted her back, leaving a trail of stardust in its wake. Luna fell asleep under the twinkling sky, her heart full of gratitude for the magical adventure that had unfolded. From that night on, Luna continued to visit the Starlight Tree in her dreams, and the children of the village found that their nighttime wishes came true more often. And so, the village embraced the magic that Luna had discovered, making bedtime a time of wonder, dreams, and the gentle glow of the Starlight Tree. And in the quiet moments before sleep, Luna would look up at the sky, whisper her thanks to the stars, and drift into dreams filled with the warmth of the magical meadow and the joyous laughter of the dreams brought to life.